The United Forum of Bank Unions (UFBU), representing 9 major bank unions, has stepped up its agitation for the implementation of a 5-day banking week by launching a nationwide memorandum and signature campaign coupled with a series of protest programs across the country. The move follows prolonged delays in government approval despite the understanding reached under the 12th bipartite settlement and the ninth joint note dated March 8, 2024. Nationwide Signature and Memorandum Campaign. UFBU has issued detailed instructions to all its constituent unions to circulate memorandums across bank branches and offices and ensure participation from employees and officers at all levels. Signed memorandums are sent in hard copy to the Indian Banks Association (IBA) by December 9, 2025 and to the Finance Ministry by December 12, 2025. Though unions have emphasized that this collective action is aimed at pressing for immediate approval of 5-day banking, which they say has been unreasonably delayed despite prior agreements. Memorandum to Indian Banks Association. In its memorandum to the chairman of the IBA, UFBU recalled that while the second and fourth Saturdays were declared holidays in 2015, the long-standing demand to declare all Saturdays as holidays has remained unresolved for nearly a decade. The unions pointed out that an understanding reached on December 7, 2023 recommended declaring all Saturdays as holidays under the Negotiable Instruments Act, subject only to government clearance. Memorandum to the Finance Minister. The memorandum addressed to the Finance Minister reiterates that additional working hours had already been agreed upon to compensate for the shift to a 5-day work week. UFBU noted that despite these adjustments and formal settlements, government approval has not been granted, leading to growing disappointment and unrest among bank employees. Submission to Chief Labour Commissioner. UFBU also submitted a detailed representation to the Chief Labour Commissioner (CLC) on December 3, 2025, outlining the evolution of the 5-day banking demand across the 10th, 11th, and 12th bipartite settlements. The submission includes reference to discussions with the Department of Financial Services (DFS), conciliation proceedings, and IBA UFBU deliberations, underscoring that the issue has been consistently acknowledged at multiple levels. No justification for the delay, Union Leader. Devidas Turzapurkar said the delay in approving the 5-day banking week has no legal basis, as the 12th bipartite settlement already envisages government approval. He argued that non-implementation of nearly 2 years amounts to a legal violation, adding that 5-day banking aligns with Digital India through longer working hours on other days. Agitation program announced. The United Forum of Bank Unions (UFBU) stepped up its nationwide campaign for a 5-day banking week in December 2025, with badge-wearing protest on December 16th, demonstrations in all state capitals on December 23rd, and coordinated nationwide protest on December 30th, across centers such as Pune, Delhi, Gaya, and Roorkee. The agitation further intensified on January 4, 2026, with a coordinated X campaign under 5 days banking, supported by war rooms across states and generating over 3 lakh tweets. Following these actions, UFBU has announced an All India Bank strike on January 27, 2026, demanding implementation of 5-day banking as agreed in the March 2024 base settlement with the Indian Banks Associations, while reiterating that productivity will not be impacted as employees have agreed to longer weekday working hours. According to UFBU, these activities are aimed at ensuring collective expression of employee sentiment and pressing for early resolution of the issue. Constituent unions of UFBU. The United Forum of Bank Unions comprises 9 major unions: All India Bank Employees Association (AIBA), All India Bank Officers Confederation (IBOC), National Confederation of Bank Employees (NCBE), All India Bank Officers Association (AIBOA), Bank Employees Federation of India (BEFI), Indian National Bank Employees Federation (INBEF), Indian National Bank Officers Congress INBOC, National Organization of Bank Workers (NOBW), and National Organization of Bank Officers (NOBO). UFBU leaders maintain that the present agitation has become unavoidable and have urged the government to respect the settlement and the sentiments of bank employees by granting immediate approval for 5-day banking.